Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. We want to thank you so much for your loyalty and for following us on our Facebook. Thanks to you, we've nearly doubled the number of people who follow our Facebook page and like it in the past few months. This is incredible and we thank you so much. We invite you to be a part of our 10K challenge. We're trying to get to 10,000 people who like our page and we're just about there. Thanks to our new Facebook likes counter, you can see in real time exactly how many people like our page. As a matter of fact, I think we can all see we're at 9,512, and that's updated real time. Helping out is very easy. Simply go to Facebook, type in Fred Anderson Toyota, and then hit that like button, and you've helped us get one step closer to 10,000 likes.
Whoa, that's super cool. Yes.
Thanks again. We really appreciate you all. Feel free to invite your family and friends and coworkers to click like on our Fred Anderson Toyota Facebook so we can get to 10,000 likes. Have a great weekend.